let's fly away.
The moon really could look like a fiery red ball tonight. That's because scientists are expecting a total lunar eclipse, the first total eclipse in 3 years. Joining us now to talk more about the lunar eclipse, Dr. Philip Plait, a NASA astronomer. Welcome. Thanks for being with us.
Thank you. It's nice to be on Fox again.
Thank you. These are fairly common events. I mean, they happen, what, every 3 or 4 years?
In a given location, actually, they happen a couple of times a year all over the Earth, or different parts of the Earth, but a specific place about every 3 years. That's about right.
All right. So where is going to be the best viewing of this one?
Anywhere in the country is fine. All you have to do is go outside and watch, as long as you have clear skies, or even partly clear skies, and a view of the horizon, as the moon is rising at least. Later on, it's going to be up high in the sky, so you just need a view of the sky.
So is it going to start when the moon is low in the sky?
It starts at about 9 o'clock Eastern time, although the show really starts just after 10 o'clock when the moon enters the darkest part of the Earth's shadow, as you saw in that animation.
And that's what this is. This is the Earth passing between the sun and the moon and throwing a shadow on the moon that essentially blots it out.
That's correct. The Earth's shadow trails out behind it in space, and the moon passes through it as it orbits the Earth. And as that happens, the moon gets eaten up by the Earth's shadow, as you can see in this animation. It sweeps across the face of the moon. And when the moon is totally in the Earth's shadow, sometimes, and hopefully tonight, it can turn very red, sort of an eerie orange blood red. And that's because particles, molecules in the Earth's atmosphere, they scatter away the blue light, leaving only the red light from the sun to light up the moon. And so we here on the Earth, as we look at the moon, we see the moon looking very orange like that.
But that's not a guarantee. I mean, we're not absolutely certain that that's going to happen tonight?
That's correct. It usually happens. You at least get some orange coloring every eclipse. It depends on how much pollution there is in the air, for example, or if there's been a recent volcano. This image that you see here was taken a few years ago, just a few years after, I think, Mount Pinatubo exploded. There hasn't been a volcanic eruption in some time, so there may not be as much, basically just junk in the atmosphere making this happen. But you never know. It's worth going out and just taking a look to see how red it gets.
And unlike a solar eclipse, this one you actually can look at safely with your naked eye.
Sure. It's just the moon, and you can go out and see the moon even when it's full and as bright as it can be. It'll actually be dimmer than usual because, of course, it's going to be shadowed tonight. So all you have to do is go outside and watch it. If you have a telescope or binoculars, that'll enhance the view. But if you don't, it's not a big deal. Just go out and look.
All right, and tell us again the time.
The party really starts about 10:01 Eastern time tonight, and it's all over by 1:30.
All right, Dr. Philip Plait, let's hope the skies are clear wherever you are tonight. Thanks very much for being with us.
Thank you.